We Crack You provide free mock test for SSC CPO exam. For that, you only need to Google search Crack You SSC CPO free mock test. Click on the first link and start the mock. After completing the mock, you get the complete detailed analysis with the solution and percentile for the mock. Hi friends, welcome to our channel Crack You RRB SSC Banking Exam. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the previous year cutoff and expected cutoff for SSC CPO 2020. So let's see what is the pattern of the paper and the difficulty level in the past 3 years of the examination. So in 2017, the difficulty level of the paper was from moderate to difficult, whereas in 2018 and 19 it was easy to moderate. And we also know the qualifying marks set by the commission without adding the bonus marks to NCC certificate holders are 30% of the total marks for unreserved candidates, 25% of the total marks for OBC and EWS, that is economically weaker section candidates, and for all other categories it is 20% of the total marks. So let's see the cutoff, year-wise cutoff for 2017, 18 and 19. So the cutoff for the year 2017 in paper 1, which is of 200 marks, is for male unreserved it is 117.25, for male OBC it is 102, for male ST it's 90, and for male SC it's 90.25, and for ex-servicemen it's 43, whereas for female unreserved it is 112.5, for female OBC it's 97.75, for female ST it's 81, and for female SC it's 84.75. Similarly, the cutoff for the year 2018 is for male unreserved it is 140.08, for male OBC it's 133.36, for male ST it's 111.17, for male SC 114.23, and for ex-servicemen it is 50 to 70 based on the category, and for female unreserved it is 137.60, for female OBC it's 127.51, for female ST it's 99.50, for female SC it's 110.31. This is the cutoff for the year 2018 for paper 1. Now similarly, the cutoff for the year 2019 paper 1 is for male unreserved it's 101.19, for male OBC it's 91.28, for male EWS, that is economically weaker section, is 86.95, for male ST it's 74.54, for male SC it's 70.67, and for ex-servicemen it's 40, and for female unreserved it's 104.12, for female OBC it's 97.78, for female EWS, that is economically weaker section, it is 91.72, and for female ST and SC it's 73.59 and 75.45 respectively. This was the cutoff for paper 1. Now let's see the cutoff for the year 2017 and 18 on combining paper 1 and paper 2. As we know, physical endurance test and physical standard test does not have cutoff as they are just of qualifying nature. So the cutoff for the year 2017 combining both paper 1 and paper 2 are for male unreserved it's 293.50, for male OBC it's 271.75, for male ST it's 230, for male SC it's 217.75, and for ex-servicemen it's 204. Okay, let me tell you the total marks here is 400, as paper 1 has 200 marks, paper 2 has 200 marks. Combining them, this cutoff is out of 400 marks. So the cutoff for the year 2017 paper 1 paper 2 for female is 264.75, for unreserved 192, for OBC 140.50, for ST 161, for SC. And the cutoff for the year 2018 combining both paper 1 and paper 2 For male unreserved, it's 300.15. For male OBC, it's 196.50. For male ST, it's 169.03. For male SC, it's 190.02, and for ex-servicemen, it's 211.93. Similarly, the cutoff for the year 2018, paper 1, paper 2 for female is female unreserved 286.81, female OBC 258.38, female ST 207.46, female SC 223.26. So, on analyzing all the cutoff for both the papers and paper 1, what can we expect this year? So, the expected cutoff for the year 2020 for paper 1 might be, as the cutoff also depends on the difficulty level of the paper. Like, if the paper is difficult, the cutoff may go low, whereas if the paper is easy, the cutoff may go high. So, here considering the level of the paper to be easy to moderate, the cutoff for paper 1 for the year 2020 for SSC CPO exam might be for male unreserved 100 to 110, for male OBC 90 to 115, for male ST and SC it's 75 to 95, and for ex-servicemen 50 to 70. Whereas for female unreserved, the cutoff might be 105 to 115, for OBC 97 to 117, for female ST 73 to 83, and for female SC it might be 75 to 85. So, hope you liked it, and if you did, please like, share and comment. And yes, we also have all the previous year paper for SSC exams like SSC CGL, CHSL, CPO, Steno and etc. with detailed solutions, and the link is given in the description box. And yes, if you have any query, please comment below. Till then, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the daily updates. Thank you.